What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today on the platter, we have TrendMood and Black owned brands. What? Girl, I hope y'all are excited to see what's in this box because I am. So you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you were able to get this box or nah. What's up, my loves? Welcome. As I said in the intro, I'm your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, we are tackling TrendMood and Black-owned brands. I was so excited to see them post this on Instagram, and you know your girl just had to pick it up, right? Yes, it's only right. I know. So this, guys, is the TrendMood and Black-owned brands. This is not the Volume 7 box. This is like a bonus little in-between box because Volume 7 is about to come out. And I heard somewhere on Instagram it may be a Tatcha box. I don't know how true that is, guys, but I did hear it. But on this one right here, boo, we have some Black-owned brands. So we're gonna do shout outs. I'm gonna give you a little bit of specs on this box, and then we're gonna be ready to unbox it. Today's drink is just some regular orange juice. Y'all know you gotta get your vitamin C up, right? Absolutely. Cheers, guys. This is the part in our video where we give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early, rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys. This one was $39 for this box. I think this is one of the cheaper boxes for TrendMood, if I'm not mistaken. This is not a monthly subscription box, guys. Well, they claim not to be a monthly subscription box, but I think every month they come out with a box with like a different theme. Volume 7, as I said before, is on the way, but this one is the Black-owned brands, and part of the proceeds from this box will be going to fight against racial injustices, which I do love. That's why I needed to get this box, y'all. Yes. If you need any further information on TrendMood, I will put their Instagram right here. Also, it will be in the link below. In order to get this box, guys, you need to sign up for early access on their site. They're going to send you an email on the day of and say, hey, look, we're about to release this box, so you might want to get yourself together. Then they're going to give you a password, and then you enter that password, and boom, you got it. But you have to be quick. So all of their information will be down below. I don't want to waste too much time because I want to bust this baby open. So let's get this box on and popping. Boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Hey, ooh. When we open her up, I already cut it to save us time, guys. This is what it looks like on the inside right here. Oh, we have some black paper today. Okay, with the purple TrendMood circle in the middle, the little sticker. And we're gonna open it. Everything is nicely packaged with some bubble wrap. Hopefully nothing is broken. So first up, we're going to be pulling out from Colored Rain. And this is their satin lipstick right here, guys. And on the box, it says that they're vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And we have the shade Whipped. So that's how the outside packaging looks, guys. I do love Colored Rain products. I do own a few of their products, and their lipsticks are amazing. So let's open her up. Ooh, okay, when we pull it out, it is the standard Colored Rain packaging. I think Colored Rain is also sold at Target, if I'm not mistaken. And let's open it. Oh, look at that shade, guys. Wow, that is beautiful. As y'all now know, if you don't, I'm gonna tell you, I am now more into the chocolate nudes, all of that goodness, which I do have some chocolate nude lip swatches that's going to be coming up in a future video, probably later on this week. I'm very excited for you guys to see that. But this color here is beautiful. So this lipstick right here, guys, is described as a dusty rose pink lipstick with warm brown undertones, and it has a moisturizing satin finish. and it retails for $17. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit on my hand first, and then we're gonna put some on. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Let's put some on. Ooh, that's pretty, huh? Gorgeous. And it is a satin matte. It does feel extremely creamy on the lips. Very pretty, very comfortable. I am loving this shade. Okay, cool. $17 for this one, guys. Do y'all want to keep it all in the lipstick family first? Let's do that. So then we have from Propa Beauty, and this is a new company that I just ordered some lipsticks from, guys. So I'm excited to see this. Oh, they gave me the shade Focus. You could have gotten one of two shades, either Focused or Limitless. I was hoping for Limitless because I think I have Focused in my collection that I just purchased. Yes, I do. So this will be going into a giveaway for my Winter Wednesday person. You're going to be getting this lipstick, and this is described as lightweight, creamy formula with a luminous satin finish. This shade is Focus, which is a cinnamon with reddish brown tones, and this retails for $12, guys. All right, so when we take it out, ooh, look at the packaging. Look at that, guys. It reminds me of the Fenty sticks. The packaging is gorgeous. I love it. Just basic, sleek packaging. When you pull it out, it does have like a gold little thing here, and look at that shade. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. This is described as cinnamon with reddish brown tones. This will look good on a variety of skin tones. Beautiful. And then we receive from Mented, and this is the Nude La La Matte lipstick here. Very, very pretty. I do own a couple of products from Mented. I bought this lipstick here, this beautiful chocolate one in Hot Date. This is an amazingly sexy chocolate color that I have been loving. So I'm excited to see what this shade looks like. Mented have a variety of products. I know they have some blushes, they have lipsticks, lip liners. I really like Mented's products. And this is the little bullet that it comes in. This is a semi-matte lipstick, guys, and it's a warm pink with brown undertone. So it kind of looks like the one that I'm wearing now. This is very pretty, guys. This one retails for $16.50. I'm not gonna swatch it because I will be putting this in my Winter Wednesday giveaway that's coming up Wednesday. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Next product is in this beautiful little bag here. And this is from the company Zodiac Cosmetics. And let's open it up. And when we pull it out, it's gorgeous. I love this packaging, I do. Comes packaged in this box with the company's name showing. And we have the shade Zeus. I think everyone got the shade Zeus. Ooh, look at that, guys. This is gorgeous. So this is what it looks like right here. And this is from their Stardust Loose Highlighter Powder collection. And it's just to basically illuminate your complexion. It glides on seamlessly on your face and on your body. So it's a face and body highlighter. This is the shade Zeus, and this retails for $12. I'm gonna open it and see. Ooh. It has that in the middle. So it's like a little sponge thing. Let's go ahead on and swatch it. Ooh, it feels like dust. It feels very fine. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh, girl. Y'all see that? Holy moly. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Ooh. Now this I think will look good on deeper skin tones. For my lighter skin tone sisters, y'all or brothers, y'all can use this on your lids, but it is gorgeous. And this retails for $12, guys. Then we have from OPV, the Metal and Liquid Eye Glitter right here. This is a water-based glitter liner, and this retails for 10 euros, which converts over to $11.79 in US dollars. Ooh, and look at this color, guys. A beautiful, beautiful pink, or is this a red? It's in the shade Peyton, but it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You could have gotten one of 6 shades. I will try to find the shades and put them up here for you guys, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. I will be putting this into my giveaway as well because I don't do well with gel liners, water liners, whatever you want to call it. So we will be putting this in a giveaway. It's gorgeous. The packaging is beautiful, and this retails for $11.79 in US dollars, baby. Next up, we have a palette. Now, I did receive this palette in my Colored Rain mystery box, so I will be putting this one into a giveaway. I'm just going to open it real quick and show you guys. It is 6 shades, 1 shimmer, and the rest are matte shades. It is warm toned shadows. Like I said, 1 shimmer, 5 matte shades, and this retails for $25. I think when I initially got this, I was kind of excited for getting it, but I didn't really reach for it too much, unfortunately. But I'm going to swatch the one that I have, and this one will be going into my giveaway. So this one is mine, guys, right here. And let's open her up. Like I said, that's mine. I'm going to swatch them so you guys can see. That's how they swatched out. Ooh, not very good swatches, huh? It's not. Let me grab the black shade as well to show you guys. Now the black one is gorgeous, and it is a shimmer shade. So I do love that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That black is gorgeous. This retails for $25. I know. And last but not least, we have another palette. Now this one I was most excited to see because I've never heard of OPV Beauty in London. I've never heard of this brand before, and I saw this blush palette. It's called Born to Shine. Let me open it so I can take this plastic off. So this is what it looks like outside of the plastic, and y'all, I was very excited to receive this palette. I swear. It's a blush palette described as silky matte shimmery shades for all skin tones. It retails for 29 euros, which converts to $34.19 in US dollars. When we open it, oh, girl, we got a mirror, and boo, she a big, huge mirror. And the shades that comes with this plastic, oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this palette. These two are speaking to TonyaNicole. This palette is humongous. Like, it is gorgeous. These two are like shimmery, and the rest of these are more of a matte. Oh my goodness, I have to swatch them. This one is gorgeous. I mean, they are so pretty. Oh my goodness. And the names are Uplifting, Light, Smile. I love that. Unstoppable, Positive, and Keep Calm. All very positive. I am going to swatch these. Let me take off what I have on my hands, and I'm going to swatch this for you guys. That's how the first 5 swatched out. I'm going to do this orange color because I'm telling you, that one is like speaking to... Look at that. Oh my goodness. Girl. Oh, let me show y'all again. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this palette, and I can definitely see a variety of skin tones using this palette. This one right here and this one, these two are speaking to me. I think I'm going to put a little bit of this one on my face right now. Ooh. It's really not super duper pigmented, but I know you guys see that it's like a highlight and blush perfection. So guys, that was my final product in my TrendMood and Black owned brands, and I am like so excited for this box. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts after we do this quick recap. So we received from OPV Beauty this Born to Shine blush palette. From Colored Rain, the Smoke Show palette here. From OPV, the Metal and Liquid Glitter Liner. From Zodiac Cosmetics, the highlighter in Zeus. From Mented Cosmetics, the Nude La La Matte Lipstick. Proper Beauty, the Luminous Satin Lipstick in Focused. And from Colored Rain, the satin lipstick in the shade Whipped. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products we received in this month's box. Final thoughts. So final thoughts on this box. For the most part, I am just pleased with the meaning behind this box. Black-owned brands and giving back to racial injustices. And, you know, it's just right now a lot is going on in the world. And I just don't understand why we have so much division between the races. I mean, my God, guys, like it is 2020. And it just blows my mind that people are still stuck in like the past mindset. Like we have to learn to grow, guys, and love each other equally. You know, it's kind of foolish to me to think that someone can hate you based solely on your skin color and not even get to know you or try to get to know you, but just what they see or what they see in the media is what they base their thoughts of you on. And I don't like that because, you know, it's too far gone into history that we repeating things like this. It's just too much for me. And that's something that really saddens my heart, is to see, you know, each other just like fighting over, especially race-related things. It's like, come on, guys, when are we going to get through that? When is it going to be enough, right? Yes. But I love the meaning behind this box. I did love most of the products. The star of the shows for me was the Born to Shine palette, the Colored Rain lipstick. I do like the Zeus highlighter. This was okay. I wish this would have kind of been replaced with something else besides a gel liner. I don't know too much about, you know, this and how well it works for a lot of different people. The 2 lipsticks I was very excited for. It does have a lot of lip products, this palette as well. It does have a lot of lip products. I would have liked to seen maybe a setting powder from like Beauty Bakery or their bronzer palette, or you know, there's a lot, the crayon case. There's a lot of other brands that I wish would have been included in this, just to get a more variety of products. Like 3 lipsticks is a bit much for me, but all in all, I did think that the box was good this month. So let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts of this box. Let me know if you got this box as well. And that's all that I have, guys. So let's grab our drinks. I hope you would consider subscribing to your girl. It's just one little click away. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm very active on those 2 sites. And that's all that I have. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Bye, guys.